Hello and welcome to my channel Trading Skills. So in today's session I'm going to show you that how can we take trades according to the market situation. So now you can see here this is a strong candle and I'm not seeing any kind of rejection in this candlestick, and if I want to analyze the market here, now you can see this is the level, so still there is a gap to the level. So because of this gap the market will go up and it will close here as a bullish. So there is no chance for this candle to close as a bearish. I am not seeing any kind of rejection. It is a strong candle, went up strongly and there is no fluctuation and rejection in it. So therefore I can easily go here with the sell buyers, and now you can see there is a gap, resistance, next resistance, this is the resistance. So I will win this trade for sure. Now you can see I want this one, so again I can go here with the buyers. If the candle comes down I am going to take another trade in an up direction, no issues. Now candle closed here. So what does it mean? It means that market will go down from this point. If I get here a good entry point, I will go here with the buyers. Now you can see their buyers are going in an up direction in this area. So I am totally satisfied with my trades. Okay, now you can see so now you can see here market is not at any level here, so I can go after this candle. I can easily go here with the sellers. So I have taken my trade here in a down direction. Now you can see I will definitely win this trade. Why? You can see this is an engulfing candlestick, and now you can see I'm not seeing any kind of rejection in it and any kind of buyers in entry in it. So therefore the market has to go down and it will close as a bearish. So the chances of bullish candle is almost 1 to 2%. 98% of the chances is that the market will go down, and now you can see market is going down. So now you can see again I won my trade here. So now again I can go here with the sellers. Although I am seeing here that there is a strong buyer's entry, but it will not work here. There is a strong buyer's entry, it will not work here. So market will close below our entry point. So now you will see I have taken my trade here with the margin of safety. So this is a strong momentum candle and market will go down because I am not seeing any kind of rejection in it. So the market will definitely close here and it will close below our entry point. So let's see what happens here. I have secured myself here, so I am seeing here that right now the sellers can enter and sellers can break this area easily. So let's see. Okay, market has to go down. Let's see. Okay, so unfortunately I am safe because of my luck. So at this area I can go here with the sellers. So here I have taken my trade in a down direction, and this is a strong momentum candlestick. So now you can see here I am not seeing here any kind of level. So level is here, so there is a gap. So because of this gap the market is trying to go down and it will close here as a bearish. Okay, Euro USD GBP USD Euro JPY USD JPY. Okay, so now you can see market is again going down. So it is a short trade. Now you can see here, if I want to analyze the market here, I can go here with the buyers because this candle is a sign of continuation here. So this candle will not reverse here. this candle will definitely go up. Okay, this candle will definitely go up, and there is no doubt about it, this candle will close as a bullish for sure. So you all need to learn that how can we check the past and how to analyze the past. So now you can see market is going up. Okay, so I need to analyze this market here again. I can go here with the buyers. So here I have taken my trade in an up direction, and now you can see the market will definitely go up. There is no doubt about it. So again, this is a sure short winning trade, and I am fully satisfied with this trade. Okay, now you can see again I won my trade because I knew that this is a sign of continuation here. And here now you will see market will go up and it will close above our entry point. It has to close as a bullish candle. It has to close as a bullish candle like this. So let's see. Okay, no issues for me, the candle has to go up. Let's see, no issues. Okay, so now again I can go here with the buyers. Okay, so this trade went wrong. Okay, so this time I will win this trade, there is no doubt about it. Market will get a rejection and it will go up and it will make a candle like this. Okay, it is making the candle like that which I have drawn here. Okay, so I won my trade. So now you can see how I am trading, and this is how you can take your trades. So trading is easy, don't make it difficult. If you want to go with the buyers or sellers, you need to learn each and everything, each and every aspect of that. So if you are having any kind of issues, you can ask me at any time. Okay, now you can see I have taken my trade here in a down direction. Now you will see here this candle will definitely close here as a bearish. It has to go down, but I am not seeing here this time, so therefore I can be in trouble. So no issues. Right now the next candle again can easily go down. The next candle is definite a bearish candle. So now you will see here market will get a big rejection here and it will come down here. Now you can see I am seeing here a weak buyers. So market will get a rejection and it will make a candle like this as a bearish. So let's see, and this will be my last trade, and after this trade I am going to finish my trading session here. So now you can see market is easily going down from the level which I have taken here, so therefore we can easily win our trade. So if you like my video, kindly share, subscribe and comment, and if you have any queries you can ask me on my Telegram, and you can join our group Trading Skills. So you will get a good knowledge from our channel, from my videos, and try to help each other in the group, and try to post your trades in the group, and try to start discussion in that. Because of discussion you can clear your doubts. So have a blessed day ahead. Bye for now.